You open the SUP Dropshipping app or dashboard, ready to launch your new store, import trending products, and finally start making real income with e-commerce. But after a few minutes, you find yourself wondering, is this platform smooth enough? Are the products reliable? And can SUP actually help you build a profitable dropshipping business in 2026? Welcome to GigaBits, where we test real tools, apps, and online platforms to help you avoid scams, save money, and choose what actually works. Today we're diving deep into SUP Dropshipping, one of the fastest growing global sourcing platforms, but is it truly worth using for your store this year? I spent 8 days testing SUP Dropshipping across Shopify, WooCommerce, and their standalone platform. I imported 40 different products, checked delivery times, compared suppliers, and evaluated the fulfillment process from multiple regions. I benchmarked SUP against competitors like AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, Zendrop, and Spocket. I also reviewed feedback from store owners and tested their customer support responsiveness. After all this, I now understand exactly where SUP shines and where it struggles. SUP Dropshipping promises an all-in-one sourcing and fulfillment ecosystem. Trending products, worldwide warehouses, private labeling, fast processing, and clean automation tools. But can SUP actually give you a competitive edge in 2026? Or does it fall into the same traps as other platforms? Long shipping times, inconsistent suppliers, and unreliable inventory. Step 1. Product quality and supplier network. SUP features a large supplier network from China, the US, and Europe. Product quality varies based on the supplier, which is normal for dropshipping. In my tests, around 70% of items arrived as described, while a few had noticeable packaging or quality inconsistencies. Step 2. Shipping speed and tracking accuracy. Shipping was faster than most AliExpress sellers, with many packages arriving in 7 to 14 days. Tracking updates were mostly accurate, although some orders switched carriers mid-route, which might confuse beginners. Step 3. Platform interface and product editing. One of SUP's strongest points is its intuitive dashboard. Importing products, editing variants, adjusting descriptions, and publishing to Shopify or WooCommerce feels smooth and beginner-friendly. The layout is cleaner and less chaotic than AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping. Step 4. Automation, tools, and order fulfillment. Automatic fulfillment works reliably. Once orders come in, SUP handles processing and shipping with minimal manual steps. Bulk orders during peak seasons, however, may experience delays. Step 5. Customer support and reliability. SUP's support team responds within a few hours, which is decent. Their answers are helpful, but refund policies depend heavily on individual suppliers, making dispute resolution inconsistent. Step 6. Pricing model and fees. The platform is free to use. Costs are built into product pricing and shipping, which is great for beginners. But some items are priced higher than identical ones on AliExpress, so you must check margins carefully. So does SUP Dropshipping really work in 2026? Pros: clean dashboard with smooth Shopify charged WooCommerce integration, faster shipping options than most AliExpress suppliers, automated fulfillment that saves beginners hours of work, large product catalog with multiple warehouse options, easy setup and product importing for new sellers. Cons: quality varies widely between suppliers, some products are overpriced, hurting profit margins, shipping can still be unpredictable during peak months. Refunds depend on each supplier's policy. Limited branding unless you place large orders. Bottom line, SUP Dropshipping is a reliable option for beginners who want simple importing, automation, and better shipping than AliExpress. It works. But your success depends far more on choosing good suppliers than on the platform itself. If you want premium branding or guaranteed quality, you may need to complement SUP with private sourcing agents. If this review helped you decide whether SUP Dropshipping is right for your store, hit like and subscribe to GigaBits. We test the tools that actually matter for online businesses. Comment below. Which platform do you prefer? SUP, CJ Dropshipping, or Zendrop? Thanks for watching GigaBits, where your tools, apps, and online platforms get reviewed honestly.